Hey everybody, welcome back. So if you remember a couple of videos ago, I tested the Jarees or Jarees, not sure how they pronounce that, transparent or clear PLA. And I found I really liked it. Not only did it print really well and it was very consistent, I liked the level of transparency that I got with it. So they also asked me now to test and review their PLA Plus product, and that's what we have here. Let's get it out and have a look at it. This is black. This is specifically what they asked me to test, black PLA Plus. And this is like the other box. Inside the box there is a little metric ruler, and it has all their contact info on it, how to get a hold of them, and some little barcodes, not sure what they're for. And it's also got a build surface in there, which I'm guessing has some sticky tape on the back. I don't need that today because I have a magnetic PEI sheet that I'm using for the printer in question. And but yeah, it's kind of nice. Let's get a look at the filament and roll. So PLA Plus, bubble free, clog free, tangle free, nozzle temp 195 to 240, bed temp 0 to 80, and 1 kilogram. And once again, their contact information, email, Facebook, and WhatsApp is on the front. So this being a PO, and on the back of the spool they have a little window with kind of a little ballpark gauge of how much is left on it. That's kind of neat. So let's get this out of the package and let's do some printing. Okay, I have the black Jarees PLA Plus roll of filament on the #1 extruder. I have their Jarees transparent standard PLA over here, but I'm not going to be printing with that today. And just for full disclosure, this is a Geeetech A10M. It has had an SKR 1.4 turbo board put in it, dual gear Creality extruders, a 3D touch sensor, bed leveling sensor, and I am using a PEI sheet with a little bit of hairspray on it. It's a magnetic sheet. So, with that out of the way, I think one of the first things I'm going to print is I have really come to like this Tower of Skulls as a test print. It does not require any support yet. It's got overhangs, and I think it's a really great test piece, and I also kind of like it. So I'm going to print that first, and we'll see how this prints. Okay, so here are the pieces I printed in the black PLA Plus from Jarees. Let's take a look at our Tower of Skulls. I've been kind of liking printing this Tower of Skulls. I like it better than a Benchy, and I think it has a lot of elements in it that would fail if it wasn't sliced right. Now, I did mention that this part does not require support, and that is incorrect. Underneath the chin and in the eye sockets, but mainly under the chin, some support would normally be required. I have been using Cure's Make Overhangs Printable setting, and that is about the only reason why I still use Cure. Also, I want to note that I did lose my original G-code that I have used with other filaments and printers, and I wound up having to reslice it again, but still turned out really nice, maybe even better than some of the previous ones. Very nice. Next thing I printed was the just another one of these watch stands I like, and I printed it because I wanted to print something useful and I needed another one. And you can see it printed really nice as well. There are some stringing issues with this. It prints in this position, and there's always been some stringing issues with it. They were actually very minor on this one. It did print nice. I like it. Then the low poly rose vase. This is something I print just because I like to demonstrate how shiny and reflective certain filaments are, and you can see it in this one. This is possibly the shiniest filament that I have ever used that wasn't, you know, specifically designed to be shiny. It is very shiny. Printed a really nice, you know, this is spiralized outer contour vase mode, so it did print that very, very nicely, and it is really reflective. Really a nice looking piece for black. And then, if you guys remember this from a number of videos ago, I made this as a camera arm, just kind of a homemade lock line, and with a piece of bendable aluminum line in it so that it can be bent to any position. And one of the problems I was having when I tried to make these pieces in PLA, it would snap when I tried to push them together. I would have to heat them to get them to go together, so I printed that one out of PETG. I thought I'd try it in this PLA Plus, and as you can see, I've already been snapping it in and out together. This is a second take of this video. The first one I still had set at 300 speed, so I'm having to do it again, but you'll see it snaps together and apart nicely without breaking. And we'll try the other side. Yeah, really nice snap together, and a lot of nice articulation in there along, you know, like a 2 or 3 feet piece. So that worked out really well for that. I might start printing these in PLA Plus instead of PETG, as I need to replace them. So there you have it. That is our initial test and review of the Jarees Black PLA Plus filament. It is very shiny. It prints very nice. I just also want to mention that I printed this with my standard PLA print settings, 210 degree nozzle, 50C bed, and really I didn't change anything to print this. It was all my standard PLA settings. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and hit notifications. I will leave a link below, an affiliate link below. Affiliate links don't cost you anything, and they help me out a little tiny bit each time one of you guys buy something through them. And but I'll leave a link to Amazon below for this filament, and I will catch you guys the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.